Let's make Toolo beef dirty rice. I tried experimenting something with the Toolo beef I made over the weekend. Do not forget, this Toolo beef is actually Ghanaian cured beef, but I used goat meat that still has the skin on. You can get this recipe from Cooking with Afia and Exhibiting Mommy's recipe. So guys, you can see here in the pot, this Toolo beef already has a lot of salt in it. So if you are using this in any meal, just use little amount of salt while cooking the meal. So here you can see I have this thing I call ghee. I added this flavored ghee to the already fried Toolo beef, and then I added my meat stock. I made this meat stock over the weekend, and this is what I'll be using to make this, delicious rice recipe. This rice dish is so simple, so quick, so easy to make, but so flavorful. Yes, here you can see I've added the rice already, and at this point you can see that the rice is already fluffed. And here I'm just adding my sweet corn, and that is it. It looks so simple, it looks so easy, but you will definitely love it. Thank you so much for watching my video, my beautiful people. Please like, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.